at first, but then I put it on and I am in love with it. I feel like a little gift waiting to be unwrapped. It's like lace down the sides, and then there's like these strings that you see here are velvet, and they're so comfortable. Look at how cute it is from the back. So cute from the back. Am I right? Like, are you kidding me?
Hey guys, it's Christina here, and wow, talk about real sexy stuff. This is from Avidlove. It's lingerie. That is really, really, really unique. Okay, it's the first type of lingerie that I've had. I like it. It's a lingerie piece. It's perfect, but it's just right how to do it. So they have more than just intimate stuff. They also have this entire bikinis. Next up, we have the Deep V Halter Teddy in Jam Purple, I think is the color. I am obsessed with the color. I love the design. It is just a little too big. I don't think I'm tall enough. I'm a short girl, so it doesn't fit me the best lengthwise, but everywhere else I think it fits very nicely. I love that it's completely open. Obviously I had to wear something underneath for YouTube, but if you want to see all of it, then you know where to go. But yeah, overall I think this set would be super, super cute if it fit me right. I love all the little strappy designs on it. I love the bow in the center. I think it looks so feminine and cute and girly. And I love all the cutouts everywhere. It's very flirty and feminine, and I love the color.